At Lifetime, we know the concern for those in your life who struggle with mobility. Our Grab Accessories decorative grab bar ensures that your bathroom doesn't have to sacrifice beauty for safety. The bar is the perfect addition for your bathroom to enhance independent living for all ages. This 16-inch decorative grab bar comes in chrome, brushed nickel, or oil rubbed bronze. It's the perfect fall prevention system for those key fall risk zones in your bathroom. The curved, sleek design of the bar allows you to feel confident and safe, giving you balance and security while also beautifully complementing your bathroom decor. The bar provides you with balance and support with its non-slip grip and is ADA compliant to support up to 500 pounds. Now bathing and showering is made safer for you and your family. Add to all that easy installation wall mounts and no stud requirements with the included lift-safe anchors and flanges. The Lifetime 16-inch decorative curved grab bar is made of stainless steel, which means zero rust and easy cleaning. And on the back are convenient rubber grips. Whether it's your safety or the safety of others, Lifetime is committed to giving you peace of mind and independence.